Welcome student. Today we are going to discuss about the determination of cell constant. Previously we come to know about the determination of a conductance of solution. In the measurement of conductance of solution, this conductivity cell is used. Now in this conductivity cell, actually this is ebonite color, and in this two platinum electrodes are dipped and coated with the platinized platinum. These are two electrodes. These two electrodes are separated by fixed distance between them, this distance, and these are connected to Wheatstone's AC bridge. Now if you want to measure the specific conductance of solution, then there is a formula. Specific conductance is equals to observed conductance into cell constant, that is theta. Means if you want to measure the specific conductance of any solution, you must know the observed conductance of that solution as well as theta, that is cell constant. Today we have to see how to measure the cell constant. For the measurement of cell constant, here the standard KCl solution is used. What is used? Standard KCl solution is used for the determination of theta, that is cell constant. Here this non-concentration KCl solution is kept in this conductivity cell, and after taking this, its conductance is measured, and you know from this formula theta, that is the cell constant, is equals to specific conductance upon observed conductance. Okay, now after putting this standard KCl, you know the observed conductance of that KCl solution, and at a particular temperature for this standard KCl solution which you have been used, there is a literature value, that is a specific conductance at a particular temperature for a particular concentration of KCl. You come to know it from the literature, means you know this value at fixed temperature from literature, and you measure the observed conductance of this standard KCl solution. If you will get these two, after taking their ratio, you will get the cell constant. Actually this cell constant for this electrode is nothing but L upon A. Means here there is electrode, okay, means these platinized platinum plates, these are two platinized platinum plate fixed, and distance between them is L, that is length between two electrodes, two platinized plate, and A means the area of cross section of these electrode. Means these are very smaller quantities, means we cannot measure this distance L between two electrodes by using our scalar, all these things, okay, and we are unable to measure the exact area also, okay. This cell conductivity cell is quite small one, and inside this there is this electrode, and we can't able to measure the length between two electrodes and the area of cross section, and that's why there is an alternative method, that is indirect method. Means actually practically cell constant is L upon A, but we are unable to measure this length between two electrodes and area of cross section of electrode. That's why this indirect method. Which method? कि जो मेथड में स्टैंडर्ड केसीएल सॉल्यूशन यूज किया जाता है वो स्टैंडर्ड केसीएल मतलब एक नॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को, एक नॉन टेम्परेचर को, उसका स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन, स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस आपको लिटरेचर वैल्यू से पता रहता है, उसका आप ऑब्जर्व कंडक्टेंस यहाँ पर गिनते हैं। ओके, दोनों वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद में आपको थीटा मिलता है, वो हो गया सेल कांस्टेंट। आफ्टर नोइंग द सेल कांस्टेंट kept their experimental solution of which you have to determine the specific conductance. Okay, measured its observed conductance of that solution is known to you, then theta is calculated by using this standard KCl solution, that is the cell constant is measured initially by using this standard KCl solution. Okay, that's why this is very important point, determination of cell constant. Okay, different concentration solutions you may use. There is a literature on this determination, means for 0.2 normal KCl, for 0.1 normal KCl and the different temperatures you are able to find out the specific conductance. Okay, now prepare specific concentration KCl solution of which you know the specific conductance. Take it in a small beaker, that is in 50 ml beaker. Now put this conductivity cell, connect this conductivity cell to the conductometer. Conductometer is used for the measurement of specific for the measurement of conductance. Okay, now the specific conductance can be determined by using this formula. You want observed value. Now after taking the experimental solution, you will get the observed conductance directly from the conductometer. Okay, now this theta is determined initially by using this standard KCl solution. If you know theta, you are able to measure the conductance of any solution. चाहे प्रैक्टिकल में कोई भी डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस हो, एसिड्स के या बेसिस के, आपको उनका कंडक्टेंस मेजर करना है तो आपको सेल कांस्टेंट डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा पहले। तो सेल कांस्टेंट डिटरमाइन करने के लिए कौन सी मेथड? बाय यूजिंग स्टैंडर्ड केसीएल सॉल्यूशन मेथड। उसकी स्टैंडर्ड केसीएल सॉल्यूशन यूज करके आप थीटा निकाल लो, और थीटा यहाँ पर कोई भी सॉल्यूशन के लिए ऑब्जर्व कंडक्टेंस पता होने के बाद में उसको मल्टीप्लाई करो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सेल। गेटिंग इट? Now in this way, this is the measurement of a cell